I'm going to demonstrate right now how to do the fascia wave that I demoed on Tuesday morning in my live class. I'm just realizing I have my daughter's necklace on. Anyway, a couple of people asked how it could be executed in standing. So I want to deliver on that video to demonstrate how to do that in standing. And this is great because this just demonstrates how you can do fascia work literally anywhere. For those of you that are following me, you might actually be noticing that you're craving doing this work. I find myself doing it literally throughout the entire day. And oftentimes it's when I'm in the kitchen cooking. And so here you go. This is how you can do a standing fascia activation while standing at the kitchen counter. You can use a counter. You can also use the sink where you can grip a little bit better. I'm going to demo first on the sink here. Just want to make sure I have enough video that can get where it needs to be. All right, I think we're good here. So if I'm directly standing at the sink, I'm going to take both my hands to the right side of the sink. I'm going to step my body back a little bit and a little bit to the left. So I'm kind of on a diagonal. Hands are to the right, legs are slightly to the left. You want to have your body far enough away from the sink so you can move and pull away from it. Activation happens by pressing the hands down and back into the sink. So you're feeling this activation. Keep your left hand, if your hands are to the right, I know Instagram's flipping me, on the bottom, and then your other hand on top. Okay, so both hands for me are to the right or to the left. Bottom hand, and other hand's gonna anchor on top. All right, here we go. My body's in the opposite direction of my hands. Press down and back. You're gonna focus on the hand and the arm that's underneath. Once you feel that activation, first start to pull your hips back away in the opposite direction of your hands. Keep the resistance the entire time. Dip your shoulder down about 1 inch and then notice my rib cage. I'm gonna wave them to the side. I'm continuously, actively pressing down into my hands, and I'm using my ribs to reach. And I'm tugging on that fascial tissue as I move and I wave my ribs. I'm just gonna do 2 more. Here's 1. Keep gripping, take it slow. 2, feel it out. Relax to come up. Take your hands to the other side. So if you were to the right, move them to the left or vice versa. Take the hand down to the ground and then, or bottom, not ground, I'm standing. Other hand's gonna anchor on top. Activate by pressing down and gripping back into the sink. And your body's gonna pull in the opposite direction. Drop your shoulder down a little bit and you're gonna wave, bringing the ribs and ribs. What we want here is rib cage movement. We want our ribs to move. I'm really finding that a lot of people have chronic stiffness and dense sticky tissue in their rib cage, which is translating into discomfort and pain in other areas. The more I'm opening people's rib cage for movement, the better their body is functioning. 2 more, reach and wave. Pressing down on that bottom arm the whole time. That makes it a fascia activation and release. Good, all right, ready to cook. Not quite yet. Let's do 1 straight on so you can see it. Imagine that you're doing child's pose. And I demonstrate this a lot on my hands and knees, activating the hands, pulling back. In standing, it's exactly the same. I'm just gonna bring this back a little bit so you can see what's happening with my legs and my feet. My arms are pressing down, down and grip. So find that grip on the sink. Take it back a little bit. I like to bring 1 foot slightly in front of the other. It doesn't matter which one. Square everything off. Set your shoulders, press down and back with your hands. Hold it. Take those 2 seconds, feel it. Let the nervous system get the message there. Then create movement by pulling your hips straight back, maybe dipping your chest down a little bit. And then relax as you come back up. Press down, keep pressing down, hips pull back. Breathing out, let the ribs move. You can wave it out here a little bit. Move your hips, move your ribs. Always keep activation. Press it down, keep pushing down. Pull it back. Bring the head down or up. Play with different movements to create different pathways. I switched my legs for fun. Press down, keep pushing down. Pull back and relax. If you don't have the sink and you're just standing at the counter somewhere, same thing. You're not going to be able to grip to pull back as much, but you can push directly down. So I feel this here in my chest. I'm focusing on feeling it also underneath the scapula or your shoulder blade. Keep pressing down into the hands and maneuver your body away or back. That feels really good too. Coming back up, press down, give yourself that pause. Breathe it out, pull it back. And back up. One more time, press down, keep pushing down. Let your body flow, let your breath move through your body. And back up. Whew, that feels good. All right, if anyone has any questions, let me know. Thanks for taking a look at this. If you are feeling something interesting or have a question, like I said, I'm here. So send a comment, enjoy, and next time you're in the kitchen, give this a try. Thanks.